Hi, my name's Jared and I'm the founder of Groupee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an instant group payment using our app. So the biggest thing that sets us apart from the rest is that you pay together in real time and instantly. So no exchanging bank details or chasing money, it's just your fair share in the moment. Here's how you do it. There's always one organizer in the group. If that's you, start by creating a group. Tap one-off payment and give that group a name. Invite your friends to the payment. You can do this via your contacts list or through a unique join code. You can also see if your friends are nearby. Enter the total bill amount into the app, remembering to add any merchant or card fees. You'll see everyone join the payment in real time. Once everyone confirms their share, hold to pay. In this moment, Groupee is charging everyone their share of the payment and then moving the funds to the creator's Groupee card. Once you've received the confirmation, open up your digital wallet to then tap and pay at the counter on behalf of the group. Pretty simple, hey? If you're making an online purchase, tap to reveal the card numbers to make the payment. With Groupee, you also have complete control and flexibility with both even and variable split functions. Whilst restaurants is an obvious one, you can use Groupee to pay for any situation where you're sharing a cost, like concert tickets, shared accommodation, or group gifting. Remember, with Groupee, there's no paybacks when you pay together. Everyone in?